got my elbow down. Gonna go record some 41s.
Only if I ride on the back with you, that's the only way we're gonna get there. My race box on you on this Z, so I can show everybody what it's like to be fast.
Right, yeah. I don't want to slow you down, dog. That was a good save. So we're following Graham here. We're gonna do a little follow and feedback. And this will be for Graham to watch and study and enjoy, as well as you guys. You know, maybe you guys can pick up a couple things, couple tips as I try to help coach Graham here. So a couple things we've been talking about. He gets his lower body out and to the inside of the corner, but his issue is his upper body. He seems real stiff. So he turns his head, he turns his shoulders a little bit, but he's not moving on the inside. He's not taking his body and really putting it on the inside there. See, he turned his head. He didn't move his upper body at all. That time he did. That was a good one. Not bad, but I think he's not putting his chin in the pocket of his elbow. On the left hand, he's doing a better job. But the right, he gets set up, he just doesn't move his upper body. As far as line placement goes, I'm going to run the line he should be running, and then you guys can see the line he's actually running. So you can see how offline he was by where I had my bike, right? So kind of the same thing here. Good, that's a good line choice. Right here he goes way too wide. Now granted, there's a big bump there. There's a cone on the inside, but look at how different that is. I even went a little wide right there. So there gives you just about a full lap of the difference in line selection. I guess he wants to talk about something. What are you doing? You tired? Come on.
My hand's asleep.
Asleep?
Yeah.
Means you're grabbing too hard on the handlebars.